Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this OPPO. Begin by going into Settings. Then scroll down and choose Privacy section. Now you need to click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options, like Calendar. Then click on one of your apps and tap on one of those options, Allow or Don't Allow. I will go with Don't Allow, so now I need to choose Don't Allow anyway in the pop-up and go back. As you can see, after that, my app no longer has access to this device's calendar. But you can always go back, select any feature, and then look for an app that you are interested in, like Maps. Then scroll all the way down and choose See All Maps Permissions instead. Now you can manage them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!